We are trying to continue with our exploration of what are the possible genres of filming music. Both films that we have chosen today and films that we have chosen in the past have really explored with the notion of the musical documentary very, very differently. These two films we were particularly interested in bringing together because they both refuse to get into the ethnographic style of filmmaking, which is very often very seen as very central to both documentary and equally the musical documentary. So they both get into exploring the structure and the sound of the music as much as the spiritual, philosophical sense of the music, and which is why we have paired these two films together. It would be great if we can have a discussion after the screenings. Both films are very unlike each other. One is a film produced by Films Division, I think almost in 89 or 90, and the other one is a little more recent, made independently in around 2004-2005. So let's watch the films together and then maybe have a conversation.
Happy জীবিতের নাই মুসলমানি, ওইটা না যার সেও তো মামিনী।